Okay, ready? Hi. Like, cut. Hi. So there's a long-running joke in the car industry. So there are two types of builds that people usually talk about. One is the ricer and one is slipper build. So what's the ricer build? So ricer build is like race-inspired cosmetic enhancement. Basically, a car that is like modified, but it has fake mods, only externally modified. It will have a wide body kit, it will have some wings, it will have some wings on the side, some holes, some fake turbos, and all of that. But inside, it will be completely stock, the way it has come from the factory. Now, what's the sleeper build? So it is basically a car with high performance but a very unassuming exterior. Basically a car that looks very neat and clean from the outside, like how it had come from the company, maybe some color changes, but from the inside it is completely heavily modified. Even the like engine is swapped, transmissions and everything swapped, everything changed. Now, why am I talking about it? And how does it connect to the message that I sent, that I talked to you about? So basically, even in men, generally speaking, there are two kinds of men. One is the ricer build, that is all aesthetically beautiful, look really good on the outside, but completely hollow from the inside. They don't have a personality mostly, and you call them toxic men, maybe. And then there is this sleeper build. These are men who are very unassuming, they look very simple, but from the inside, these guys are solid men. And when you meet them, you know that, okay, this is a solid guy. So now, what are the characteristics of these kind of men? Let's go for the ricer men first. So in the ricer men, these guys are mostly insecure, okay? They have a very big ego and of course, zero personality. They're insecure and they don't know who they are. They lack self-awareness. Also, because they're insecure, they do not have they do not have control over their own emotions, okay? They lose their temper very easily, and because of that they are unreliable. You cannot trust them. Now let's get to those sleeper build guys. Who are these kind of people? These guys are very solid, okay? When you meet one, you know who they are, and they will always keep their word. You can always rely on them. They are secure in their own skin. They don't need to do something, go out of their way or do something extra to show off who they really are. Also, they take care of their own physical and their mental well-being. And these guys are stoic, and you can always trust them. Whenever shit hits the fan, they're gonna be there standing with their shoulders straight and backing you up. So the question is, who do you want to be? And I always say this, or this is what my message to you is: none of us are slipper build, okay? Somewhere we come in between of ricer and the slipper build. At least I know I am. I don't know what others. But I will always strive to become a man who is more of a slipper build, a man who is confident in himself, who knows what he's doing, who has a very clear goal of what he wants, and then goes after it. I hope you do the same. Take care, guys. Bye bye.